Hello, today in front of me I have Nubia Red Magic 7 smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can enable the data saver on this device. Alrighty, so first of all you want to open up the settings app. In here go for the dual cards and mobile networks category. Choose what SIM card you would like to enable the data saver, the mobile data saver for. Let's say I'll go with the SIM card number 1. At the SIM card settings page, you want to head straight for the data usage category, and in here you'll see the data saver section or option which you want to go for, and in here simply turn on this toggle, and that will effectively mean that you have successfully activated the cellular data saver on this device. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.